George and I are very excited because we're going on a holiday at the seaside very, very, very soon. 5 more sleeps to go. Holidays are coming. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and we're off. Holidays are coming. Join in with me. 4 more sleeps to go. Holidays are coming. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and we're off. Holidays are coming. 3 more sleeps to go. Holidays are coming. 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and we're off. Holidays are coming. 2 more sleeps to go. Holidays are coming. 2 more, 1 more, and we're off. Holidays are coming. 1 more sleep to go. Holidays are coming. 1 more, and we're off. Holidays are coming. No more sleeps to go. Holidays are coming. No more, and we're off. Holidays are coming. Holidays are coming. Yes, holidays are here. Hooray! I love holidays.
All aboard, we take a trip. Off to the beach we go. Armbands at the ready now. Too much cream, oh no! Pulling up at the beach, sun shining so bright. Sun cream on and towels out, not a cloud in sight. Sunny days at the beach, run along the sand. Race each other to the sea and swim in our armbands. All together at the beach, what can we all see? Oysters, clams and lots of shells and fish swimming with glee. Time to build a sandcastle all day in the sun. A shovel and a bucket too, having lots